In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you could delete a subscribed calendar in your iPhone. So if you go over to your calendar and you click on calendars, you're going to see a option here that says subscribe. And if you try to delete it through here, it won't allow you. There's no delete option here on the bottom. So if you want to be able to delete it, what you need to do is you need to go back to your home screen and you need to go to settings, and then you go over to passwords and accounts, and you're gonna see the subscribe calendars in there. So you click that, click there, and this is where you will click on delete account, and that will get rid of the calendar that you have. All right, so that's how easily you remove a subscribe calendar from your iPhone. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and please subscribe.